Okay, so this is the Bose Solo Soundbar Series 2. Clear sound, dialogue, all levels, one connection to your TV, dialogue mode, bracket included for wall mounting, wireless stream music from any Bluetooth device, easy to use infrared remote. It's $199 at Costco right now. Instruction manual. Looks like brackets. Optical audio. And so in this container, screws, power cord, remote control, and the wall bracket. Service, aux in, optical, coaxial, and the power. I did try this at Costco and the sounds pretty nice, so can't wait to use it. Okay, so this is the Bose speaker that I have. I'm actually doing this in the car with some nice view. I wanted to test it out. Right now it's connected to my portable AC adapter, and that is connected to these other power adapter to the lighter. And this is a great one because it charges quick charge 3.0, and then it's 2.0, 2.4, and then USB-C, and then of course you got two additional chargers for the lighters. So here's the remote control for that. You want to press on, and then you can see that the power is on. And to pair it, you want to press the pairing. So now you see that the blue light is on for pairing, and you see Bose Solo here. So pair Bose Solo, yes. It is showing that it is on and playing, so let us turn up the volume. At full volume, it does sound pretty nice. I put it on mute. That was at full volume and it's sounding pretty nice. Again, that was at full volume. Sounded a lot louder at Costco, but it is clear. It's nice. Let's try a different music and we'll see. So all in all, really nice system. It's more for the TV, and for under 200 bucks, more with the tax, but price under $200. Great system, and it did sound great when I was listening to the samples at Costco, and sounding great here. So I think it's a great buy. Bose never fails to please me with their sound system. So besides Bose and Sonos, those are the only two I really like on the speaker system. So I think I got a good purchase.